now.
Do it. Take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. No.
Now we're prepping for the soap press, and the main key thing you want to remember is that how your wash day goes is going to determine how good your soap press is. Make sure you're using good products, cleaning your hair. Now, they say to use a clarifying shampoo. I couldn't use one this time because this is my first time washing my hair after getting it colored. But typically I use like something clarifying to clear out my scalp. But the Olaplex did a really good job. And so right now I'm going to be using the bonding oil as my heat protectant. This little bottle was $30. It's like a baby. That's what it looked like. I don't know, can you see that? I'm going to put a little bit on my hair to blow dry it, and then a little bit on to do the soap press. The hair before blow drying, which is already drying up. And I'm using my, my Kiss blow dryer. When I get the funds to be able to get me one of them nice fancy blow dryers, or if you want to send me a blow dryer, let me know. Pattern Beauty. Who else? Dyson. I would love to have a blow dryer. I section my hair off into 4.
I was looking for affection, so I decided to go swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if you can bring the nasty out of me.
For the bonding oil, it says it reduces frizz and flyaways, extends color, removes vibrancy, heat protection for up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, shortens drying time, softens and detangles, no residue, color safe, vegan and alcohol free. Okay, I see you, little bottle. Okay, so it says to apply a small amount to damp or dry hair and style desired. Look, I'm always reading the instructions and being like, what are you talking about? So I sectioned my hair into 4 sections. So I'm gonna start on this one. A little bit more. Just rubbing my hands through it. Smells good.
I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night creep. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED and won't you see to me? Suck it to me. Suck it to me. Suck it to me. Suck it to me. I can take it. I can go. No. Do a long throw, backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I'll be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I'll bet it move slow. Ooh, sock it to me like you want to. Ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow.
Now look how much a month of having my hair color does. Like literally, I feel like you can't have the color for long without it ready to daggone go. Well, she didn't do it all the way to the roots, but still. feels really soft. I feel like I might have put a little bit too much of the bonding oil on this side. That's okay. I just will do less for the silk press. But it is Copper Blonde is the color. It's 6C Influence is the brand. Now I don't do my hair colors at home. I go to my hairstylist and she does my color for me. Okay. This is what we're looking like so far. Let me get some clips for YouTube. I mean, TikTok, Instagram, whoever. All right, last section. We did 3/4. Looks like so far. So now we are on our last section. Do another little dab. It looks like, I don't know if you can see, it's yellow or gold. And you want to just rub it through the hair. Split the hair into sections and rub it through. Just so that it can kind of like coat everything. Or at least attempt to coat. I'll put a little bit more. Just a little bit more. You don't want to put too much, then it's going to weigh your hair down. And I will say, I really like the Olaplex. Like, this is my first time using it. And like, my hair wasn't too tangled in the well, my hair wasn't too tangled while in the shower. And like right now, it's not tangled. And this oil is supposed to help with like detangling. And like, I'm not shedding that much. Just a little bit in the brush. Oh, not too bad. So let's blow dry this. I need to get an extension cord. So this is gonna look, I'm probably gonna be looking kind of awkward.
I be doing shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always say come through for real. After this time I'll be through for real. I be doing shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always say come through for real. After this time.
The hair actually smells really good. Like, it smells like the salon. It's not too much. It's just like a delicate smell. My camera's getting hot. What it looks like so far. Looks like layers, if you could tell. If you could see it, like, it looks like a layer when she cut it. And that's the blow drying process. So if you like this video and if it was helpful, hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Check out the next video for the silk press tutorial.